Hi my healthy friends, we are going to learn how to make lentil flour. It's super easy and let's start it. Okay, we need half a cup of dry lentils. Take it to a blender. It has to be a blender of a high speed to get a good result. Let's see. Blend for about 20 seconds to 30 seconds. It depends on the speed of your blender. If you want it super fine, you need to blend for a bit more. Okay, we are getting ready now, and we are just about to store your flour in a glass container. My advice is to make what you need rather than make big quantities and store for a long period of time. You can use this flour in puddings, patties, soups, bread. You can click the link and access recipes using this flour. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.